Suppose these are two lines which are perpendicular to each other, whose direction cosines are L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2. If we are given another line which is perpendicular to both of these lines, then how to find the direction cosines of this particular line? So today we will find it. Welcome friends, I am Samsubro. Let's start lecture number 43 in our 3-dimensional geometry lecture series. So without wasting any time, let's go to the blackboard. So here the problem is L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, M2 are the direction cosines of two mutually perpendicular lines. So first we will draw the diagram. See in blue. This one line, this one another line. Say this one L1 and this one line 2. So here line 1 and line 2 are perpendicular to each other, and direction cosines of L1 is M1, M1, N1. Direction cosine of L1 are L1, M1, N1, and direction cosines of L2 are L2, M2, N2. Now we are given another line, take it in green, which is such that this green line is perpendicular to line 2. Also this green line is perpendicular to L1. So suppose, next page, suppose the green line has direction cosines A, B, C. So now we are going to use the particular case what we have discussed in the lecture, where we have proved the angle between two lines. So A into L1 plus B into M1 plus C into N1 equal to 0. Why? Because this green line, say L3, see previous page, as L3 is perpendicular to L1, so L1 into A plus M1 into B plus N1 into C equal to 0. That is the particular case we are using. Again, this line L3 is perpendicular to L2, so we can write A L2 B M2 plus C N2 equal to 0. Now from these two relations we are going to find the value of ABC. Then we are done. So A by B by and C by. So from here M1 N2 minus N1 M2 N1, from here B equal to N1 L2 minus L1 N2, and C is L1 M2 minus M1 L2. So therefore required direction cosines of the line L3, that is the green line, are, take red, M1 N2 minus M2 N1, comma N1 L2 minus L1 N2, comma L1 M2 minus M1 L2. So proved. So very easy problem. So we have started miscellaneous exercise of 3-dimensional geometry chapter from Ncert. So hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you want to learn about the concept of skew lines, then please check out this lecture, lecture number 11. And if you want to learn the concepts of 3-dimensional geometry without pen and paper, then check out this playlist. Thank you for watching.